Digital multimeter suitable for electronic repairs. Equipped with measurement functions for voltage, current, resistance, capacitance, etc. First, install a 9 volts battery into the multimeter. Locate the battery compartment on the back of the multimeter. The battery compartment is secured with a cross-shaped screw. Use a crosshead screwdriver to unscrew and open it. Take out the battery installation wire from inside. Attach the battery to the corresponding positive and negative terminals. Then place the battery back into the battery compartment. Put back the battery compartment cover and tighten the screw. Turn the dial to any range to turn on the multimeter. The back can be opened to use the stand, which is more conducive for observing measurement readings. Red and black multimeter test leads. Red represents the positive pole. Black represents the negative pole. When measuring voltage, resistance, capacitance, diodes, etc., except for current values. Connect the red test lead to this position. Connect the black test lead to the adjacent COM position. Attention! When measuring current, make sure to connect the red test lead to either of these two positions. The current measurement ranges are 200 milliamperes and 10A respectively. Choose the connection position based on the measurement range. Choose the connection position based on the measurement range. The black test lead remains connected to its position. When you need to measure the voltage of a battery, adjust the range switch to the corresponding range. If the range is too small, the display will show 1. In this case, you need to increase the range switch. When measuring any unknown value, start with the maximum range. When using the non-contact voltage NCV feature, turn the range switch to NCV. The multimeter will emit a rapid beep to indicate the presence of voltage. If you encounter any problems, please contact technical personnel.